are the boxing punches. In this video, I will break down each punch and the numbers that align with them. Get into your fighting positions. Hands up, elbows tucked, good foundation. You want your knuckles floating just below eye level, elbows tucked, and you want a 60-40. 60% of your weight on the back foot, 40% on the leader foot. And we are gonna start with number 1. So when you call out a 1, that will be your jab. So 1, boom, 1, boom. And when you throw the 1, you're pivoting your hips. You're not tuning the foot, because when you tune your foot, wherever your lead toe is where your power is gonna go. So make sure your lead toe is facing your opponent. Therefore, all the power goes there. But just a little rocking motion, right? 1, 1, 1. And when you throw that 1, you want perfect alignment. Your shoulder protecting the chin. You can see right across the knuckles. Elbow tucked, hand up like that. Just rotate. 1, 1. And that is your 1. Now, your 1B is a jab to the body. Same thing. You're going here, boom. But with this one, you're shifting your weight. So you're pushing off your rear foot and putting more weight into your lead foot. And you're boom, boom. But you see how you're still protecting yourself? So when you're here, boom, you're protecting your shoulder, protecting your chin, and this side protecting here. And you're squatting down just a little bit. So it's just like boom, 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 boom. And that's a 1B, a jab to the body. Now, your number 2, your cross. You're in your position. When you're throwing out the cross, boom. You see how you're rotating on the ball of your foot. Your heel comes up. Your belly button is faced the other way. And boom, just like that. But same thing. Your shoulder protecting your chin. Hand, elbow tucked. Nice sight. It's not a locking down here, and it's not way up. It's a perfect alignment, right? And you bring it back. 2, 2, 2, 2, like that. Now, your 2B is a cross to the body, and it'll be like this. Dropping levels, right? Boom, boom, boom. But you see, the only difference is you're dropping levels. Your foot still rotate. This is still good position. You're just dropping levels, right? Boom, boom, boom. And that is your 2B. Now, your lead hook, your number 3, will be here. Don't load it up. If you're loaded up, you're showing your opponent what you're gonna do. It's a snap twist. So you're here, boom, snap twist. Your eyes never face over here. Your eyes always facing your opponent. And your elbow should be right by your ear, boom. Because all your power is right here, but your opponent's there, right? And you see the foot, boom. Do it again. So 3, boom, 3, boom, 3, boom, 3, boom. And that is your lead hook. Now, 3B is your lead hook to the body. Same thing. You're gonna go boom. The only difference is the angle of your punch. Your foot, your belly button, your shoulder, your face, everything stays the same. So, bam, bam, bam. And you see how I'm not loading it up? You don't have to load it up to get enough power. You get enough power from the twist. Because if your opponent's here and you twist to here, all that power goes through your opponent, right? And you see how I keep my hands up? Boom. See? Protection right here, shoulder, protector right there. Boom. 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 That is 3B. Now, your rear hook, your full. Same thing. You're in position. Boom. This time, the lead foot don't twist. It's the rear foot that twists like a cross. So you're here, right? Boom. You see? Protection, protection here, right? Bam, bam, bam. And that is your full. Now your full B is the rear hook to the body. Same thing, you're just dropping levels now. You're not going head, but you're dropping to the body. So you're here, bam, bam, bam. Dropping levels. And see when you're here, you're dropping levels. Look how your belly button is faced the other way. Your opponent's here. Therefore, you know you're getting that good twist, right? And that is your full B. Now, your 5 is your lead uppercut. You're right here. Don't over-exaggerate your lead uppercut. You see some people that lean right here and then throw. But if you lean here, you're acceptable for a lead hook. Don't lean. You're here, little tilt, boom, fire up, right? Little tilt, like you're protecting a body shot, and then push up on the leader foot and shoot up, right? So, right? And that is your 5, your lead uppercut. Now your number 6 is your rear uppercut. Same thing, just opposite. When you're here, take a little lean, bam. Little lean, bam. Little lean, bam. And when you're throwing that, you see how I'm just here, just a little bit, not exaggerating, just a little bit. And then when you're twisting, you twist and explode up. So twist, bam. You see how I'm pushing off on the ball of my foot? Your belly button is this way, and I'm here, bam. Not here, just bam. Right? Back, bam, bam. And don't dig a grave. So don't come, bam, like that. No, you're here, just bam, bam. And that is your number 6. Now, your overhand, your O. So if you ever hear O, that means overhand. And when you're here, if you hear O, it will come up. So not your elbow. Don't ever lead with your elbow, but lead with your hand. So you're here, boom, boom, boom. You see? So you're twisting your belly button. You're coming up on the toe. So you're here, right? And your hand, see how your hand comes and screws down on the chin. Just bam, bam. And that is O for overhand. Like, share, and subscribe. And practice, practice, practice. Don't do them all at once. Just focus on the 1, 1B, 2, 2B. And master that. And then go to the 3, 3B, 4, 4B. Master that. Then do the 5, the 6, and the overhand.